Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. Hope you are well. I'm going to show you how to build and edit faster on Fortnite in the new season. So this does work, and here is my normal building style. It's like average, not that quick to be honest, but it can get better with these little tricks, little settings to turn on or turn off. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do to quicken your edits so you can build like a pro. So let's get into the video. Right, so here we are still. I'm just showing you my normal building style so you can get a feel for how quick my edits normally are. Not too quick to be honest, like I've said, but it is fairly decent. Obviously good days and bad days, also sometimes you mess up, but as you can see it's not too bad. Get a few shots in there. Shame the pump's gone from in-game at the minute. Hopefully it makes a return soon, because I actually did quite a few good edits and hit a good 200 pump shot. So let's get into this video guys, and we are going to start off with some settings that we're going to change, and that will quicken your edits and should hopefully help you win more like games, because these edits are quick and will help you get more kills, which then should mean you should become like a pro. So we're going to go to settings, and then the one where it says controller options and edit hold time, and you're going to turn that all the way down, so that should quicken up your edit. So let's try it guys. I'm going to press B here on my controller, and there you go. This is quicker, much quicker. Obviously sometimes I mess up, but this is a lot faster. I'm moving my stick a lot more. The joystick is moving quicker because it just feels easier to edit, and I'm holding down B when I'm editing and running forward, you know. Another setting is we're going to jump over to the controller and go to custom controls, and we're going to have two edits. So as you can see, I have B as edit, and same with the L, like the left joystick. So I'm just going to still use B, but I have two edit buttons, and as you can see that is still faster than what I was editing before. I don't know how this works, but I'm not going to complain. I do this now. I only learnt this a few weeks ago to be honest about this. So here we go, and as you can see, okay, I got stuck there, but it is a lot faster. Okay guys, so the next setting we are going to do is we're going to go to the controller again. Oh no, we're not. I mean, yeah, controller options, yes, sorry. And then we're going to go to build immediately on Builder Pro and change our thing back to Builder Pro on the controller. And now when you click, sorry, I'm just going down, but now when you click like build, so like my LT is my stairs, it will just place down stairs, and if I click LB it will just place down a cone, so I don't need to click anything else. As you can see, that is actually a lot faster than before. I still have the edit time down low as well, just to let you know, but yeah, that helps me to edit faster, I think, in my opinion. It looks faster, feels faster, so yeah, this has helped me in game and in creative with my friends, and this is what I have turned on. So I have these fake people here in creative, just as a mess around, so you can see me shooting that hopefully. So they do move as well, so it's a bit more like in game but not at the same time. So as you can see, sorry, I messed up building there, but I'm here, my edit here, you just normally do a window, don't you, either left, right or middle. So this is a different clip here of me editing. So this is back to the start where I didn't have any settings turned on, so it's not like super fast, as you can see. Okay guys, we're going to head back over to settings for the next tip and trick. So we're going to go over to settings and controller again. Controller options, and build mode sensitivity I'm going to pull up to 2.5 on both, so that should be a lot quicker. I mess up a few times like everyone, just mess around. So here we go. So as you can see, that is quicker. Don't know why that. Why does that break? It makes no sense. So yeah, that one did seem quicker. So there'll be a few that you find don't actually work for you. But a lot of these methods do work. So they're not hacks or anything. They're just settings that you can turn on to help you. So it's all legit. It's all on Fortnite. They're just settings to turn on and off, change, move up and down. So I'm going to change all my look sensitivities now, so I should be quicker moving around. So I've moved all these up only by 4%, which isn't that much to be honest. But turning around now seems a lot quicker. Right, so this is another clip of mine, and I'm just editing. Again, this isn't with any settings on. This is like normal, just to show you what it's like again. Which is probably what you're using at the moment. Probably editing a bit like that, maybe a bit quicker or a bit slower. Completely up to you, more like down to you. So we're going to go to the settings, and we're going to confirm edit on release is on. Make sure that is on, guys. So when you like release your button, it will just finish the edit. You don't need to click anything else, so that makes it a lot quicker. I don't know why they break, but you know, there must be a reason. Right, so edit on release is on, and as you can see there, the edits are quicker. I don't know how that breaks still, I'm not too sure. But as you can see, these edits are quicker, which is the most important thing for you, which is what you want to gain out of this video. So yeah. Okay, right, so the next one, jump over to settings again, and we're going to go to the controller options. I've put it back on custom, and as you can see, I don't know why it doesn't work there. So, sorry, click the wrong button. Right, settings, we're on custom. And this helps you build quicker, so you can custom your own controls, make them to however you like it. So I have, like previously said, I have 2 edit buttons, which makes me edit quicker, I feel. So yeah, but you can have them in any position you want. You can change all the controls. You can have like auto sprint on and stuff like that. I know that doesn't really help with your editing, but you can have that on. And you can also change all the buttons. So your confirm button, you could make like X, or the left trigger or right trigger, or whatever you want. You can change everything. So custom controls is a good option for you to help you edit faster. That wraps up this video, guys. So thank you for watching, and make sure you like the video and comment if any of these tips and tricks helped you, and be sure to stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.